Oh, I have. I promise you. I promise you.
We'll be coming to an end, but before we do, and thank you, by the way, for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
Before we do, any piece of advice for our viewers aspiring to do something similar to what you're doing?
Honestly, I think the only advice I can really give to people is just to do it. If you don't try, if you don't just take the plunge, you'll never know. Anybody that knows me knows I'm a little bit of I can be a bit shy, I can be a bit reserved, and this isn't my natural this isn't this wouldn't be my default position or anything. I would really, it's out of my comfort zone exactly, essentially, and I think everybody should just step out of their comfort zone, because you'll be surprised by the things that you can do and the things that you can achieve. So don't let fear be a blocker, or don't feel like you can't do it. Don't let imposter syndrome get you, because I think it gets a lot of us. We think that we shouldn't really be in this space, or we're not good enough to be in the space, but God deems you good enough to be in this world. You're good enough to be in any space, and so you should